Hello, future scientists! In Unit 1 Plants, we will talk about planting seeds and how do the seeds grow. After the lesson, you can assess yourself if you can say that plants need light and water to grow, if you can follow instructions to plant a seed and observe plants growing, and can even compare different plants and parts of plants. Here are the keywords to support us in our topic. Germinate. It means when a seed begins to grow. Shoot is a part of a seed that grows upwards. Seedling is a young plant. In science, we always observe. We observe to find out about things using our 5 senses. These are very interesting videos about how the seeds grow and parts of a plant that we eat, so don't forget to watch this. Let's have a fun interactive game where you can start planting in your virtual garden. Okay, so click and drop the vegetable seedlings in the right size boxes and water them to grow. Again, you must follow the instructions properly to level up. Isn't it that fun to do a vegetable planting? Seeds are the part of the plant that make new plants. When they germinate, meaning start to grow, they will develop into new plants. Seeds do not need light to germinate or start growing. This is because the seeds have their own food store, which is protected by a hard outer coat. The aim of the parent plant is to make sure that the seeds are dispersed so that they do not grow close to the plant. This ensures that the new plants will grow well. Remember, seeds need water, air, and correct temperature for the type of seed. And also seeds come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, as well as that all of them could, given suitable conditions, germinate. Okay? Some are very small, such as pomegranate, kiwi, watermelon, and some seeds are big, like peach, palm, and coconut tree seeds. It will be fun to learn how to plant a seed. So what are the things you will need? You start with quality soil. Sow seeds in sterile seed starting mix or potting soil available in nurseries and garden centers. Water, and we have to sure to water wisely. Do not put much water in your new plant. Anything that is too much that is not healthy, it will drown your new plant. Now, what seed to plant? The best time to start growing greens and herbs here in UAE is October and November. However, warm weather can be put to great use too. Grow tomatoes, chili, cucumber, pumpkins, during this time for a good produce. Time your planting wisely and sow your seeds just before the heat kicks in. Plant pots can be any container, okay, like plastic cups, glass, ceramic. You can even recycle old materials which you can find in your house. If your materials are all ready, you can now start planting. First, you will have to put the soil in the flower pot. Only half fill the pot with soil. Then place a seed on the soil. Cover the seed with soil. Then you will have to give the plant water. You can observe how a seed grows. Just remember, not too much water on it, okay? Remember, in this lesson, we will talk about planting seeds and how do the seeds grow. Plants are alive. They are living things. Now, let's talk about seeds. Seeds do not need light to start to grow, but they do need water. The seed has food so that the plant can start to grow under the soil. When the seeds start to grow, we say it germinates. When the seed germinates, the roots grow first, then shoot grows, then the leaves grow. When the seedling, or the young plant, grows above the soil, the leaves can make food for the plant. Okay, so this is the seed germination. It is a vital stage in plant development and can be considered as a determinant for plant productivity. Again, the seed germination process begins with imbibation, okay? Imbibation meaning results in swelling of the seed. So step 1, it is when the water fills the seed. Then the water activates enzymes that begin the plant's growth. Then the seed grows a root to access water underground. The seed grows shoots that grow towards the sun. And the shoots grow leaves and begin photomorphogenesis. In the final stage of seed germination, the cell of the seeds become metabolically active, or it elongates and divides to give rise to the seedling, as you can see here. Remember, seeds germinate when they have water, warmth, and air. They do not need soil to germinate. Some will germinate on, for example, on cotton or blotting paper, okay? Just like this. These beans and a cotton. However, growth will not be as good as if they were in a suitable soil just like this. Take note, certain seeds contain plant growth regulators which inhibit seed germination. Some seeds require more time for their germination. You can watch this video about the journey of a sunflower seed or this time lapse of a bean. Okay, now that you have learned that plants need light and water to grow, you know also about different plant seeds. Challenge yourself. How do you plant your seeds? Observe how do seeds grow. When your seed grows into a plant, what do you think it will look like? Future scientists, apply what you have learned, observe, and discuss your thoughts in the class. Thank you.